Your turn.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Going forward.
Yeah. And then when the boat kind of when it sits like that, I turn the motor down, and then I come off the throttle to where it's just in forward.
There's gas pumps on this side. That guy's always fixing something.
I know up to my right, there's some islands that I need to avoid. And then there's a channel in between this and this. So what I do is I just follow my Chicklet line.
But what do you do if you don't have a Chicklet line?
I just take my time, read the chart. Don't trust the chart totally, but you know, read the chart. I look at a lot of Google imagery, so you can see this. A lot of times you can see at low tide. You can see, if the image is from low tide, you can see the sandbars. You can see the changes of the color in the water. So I stay on that path. But
okay, so you're gonna let me drive?
Yeah. So this is telling you the depth.
Okay.
This is your RPMs, and your speed is going to be up here. So this is where your motor is trimmed to, tilted up and down. So I trim with my.
How do you trim it?
With my thumb, I go all the way down. See how I just stop, and then to go up, you go like that.
And that flashing light is going up and down.
Yeah.
So up makes the motor go up, makes the tail come out of the water, and down makes the tail go in the water.
Yep.
All right.
So we're in neutral. Let me show you how to do it, and then I'll stop and let you do it. So we're in neutral. I get my heading straight. Look, I straighten out the rudder to where it's green. The engine is straight front and back. Mm-hmm. And then I start giving it gas. If I want to save gas, I don't floor it. But once the boat pops up, once it levels out, then you trim up. So about right there. And then
once it gets fast, you trim it?
Yeah. And then you can back off of it. I usually get it to
trim it means to make it go up or down?
Yeah, to make it go up and down.
Either way?
Yeah.
Trim it up or trim it down, but trim it, okay.
I keep my left hand on this knob, and my right hand available to touch the throttle. So then I get my RPM to like 46, and I just leave it like that. And now you're driving. And then when I want to slow down, I just slowly come off the throttle. And then when the boat kind of when it sits like that, I turn the motor down, and then I come off the throttle to where it's just in forward. All right.
First test.
Yeah, just slowly. That's enough gas. Now just turn the boat around. You see where you're going to go between those markers?
Those two, the green and the red one?
And then,
the green on the right on the left?
Yeah. So once you get pointed in between those two markers, you're gonna give it gas. You know how to do it, and then we'll trim the motor all the way down. Okay. Now you're ready to go. You're ready to get up on plane.
Okay, wait. So that I'm in neutral.
Okay.
Okay. Let me just think about this. Okay. And then going forward.
Yeah.
And go forward fast until it gets to 30.
Yeah. And then
Start trimming.
yeah.
It feels, I don't like it when it does this on plane thing.
More gas. More gas.
More gas. Ah!
Now trim up.
Woo!
That's good.
Trim,
No
trim.
more gas. Trim up. Oh, now don't take it off the gas. Yeah, that's good. You're perfect.
Okay.
So you got your, and let's go the other way because there are things, well, we're not that far. So just try to get it in forward, just do that. Don't give it gas. Now slowly give it gas so you can feel, no, you just push forward.
That gives it gas.
Yeah, just to get a feel for it. And then now go back to neutral. Slowly come off of it.
That's neutral.
No, you're still in forward. Now go back.
Oh, I see.
Now
There,
you're in
it says
neutral.
that. Okay.
Now go in reverse. Now you're in reverse. Now if you push back slowly, feel it? You feel it?
That's going in reverse.
Yeah, now you're going in reverse. Now you go back into neutral. Now spin the wheel back that way. No, your rudder's straight. Never mind. That right there, when it's green, that means your rudder is straight. So now you're back and forward. Now just get the feel of it. Give it a little more gas just to get the feel of it before we try to get up on plane.
You want me to go this way?
Feel how it jumps up now. You can go that way. Go to the right. Now see those two markers? Aim for the middle of those two markers right there.
Okay.
Now your rudder is straight. Now start giving it gas.
Oh, that's okay.
And here's your thumb. There you go.
Trim it.
Your thumb to take the chicklets up to the middle.
Try it.
There you go. All right, there you're good. Now just drive. Now just drive. You can hold this. Now hold this, yeah. There you go. Just keep it in between the two of those things. You can use one hand, or you can do both, whatever you're comfortable with.
It's okay.
Yeah, good. Hey, this is perfect. You're going 42 miles per hour, 34 miles per hour at like 4,000 RPM, and you're burning about 3 miles per gallon. Now make a big loop.
At the same speed?
Yeah.
I don't know. You don't think it's gonna flip over?
No, just do a big loop to the right. Just a big old loop. You can feel it. You're doing good. Keep on looping around. Cut it a little bit more to the right. No, the other right.
Okay.
A little bit more. And then head towards the bridge.
I feel like we're going so fast.
Go back to the left.
I don't remember it going this fast.
Go back to the left.
Back to the left.
Yeah.
Back to the
You
left.
gotta straighten your rudder out.
Okay.
So go back, go to the left.
To the left.
Yeah. And then once you feel it straighten out. Okay, good. You made a full circle. Now, now come off it. Now you're gonna come off it slowly. Back it. Yeah, keep going. Now trim the motor down with your thumb. Down. And then go to neutral. Good job.
All right. Can I try it again?
Yeah. This looks. Hold on.
Like, I need you to talk me through it again.
Okay.
That'd be helpful.
You're putting it forward and just turn the boat around and face through those markers. Watch your chart. Look at your line.
Stay on the line.
Yeah, stay on that line.
Okay.
Good job, Chrissy. There you go, just stay on that line.
The left side line. One on the left.
Yeah, whatever one you want to.
Okay.
It's safe water when you stay on the line.
Okay.
And you can use your right hand and put it on that knob.
Uh-huh.
That you can steer like that. Ah, get wet. We're in a crossing sea.
So how fast am I going?
35.
Miles per hour?
Yeah. That's pretty good. I mean, you're going pretty fast.
Yeah. Woo.
And it's choppy.
Yeah, that's not fun. Woo. I can see why this stresses people out when it's choppy. It's like squish it to the side.
Yeah.
Terrifying.
Alright.
Ah, there's a bird. I'm gonna hit the bird. I'm gonna hit the bird.
That bird was just mind its own business. Okay, now slowly come off the plane. Slowly. Slower than that. No, slow. There you go. Now trim down.